Hello, Professor. My name is Aradhna Hirapura, and today we are going to cover blip2, bootstrapping language image pre-training with frozen image encoders and large language models. So we're going to have a brief idea about what are its requirements and how does it overcome existing challenges. So currently, cost of training image-to-text data is very high due to we have to train a large amount of data and that to an end-to-end models. So it raises the cost. And with the blip2, its efficient training strategy bridges the gap between the pre-trained image model and pre-trained language model with its lightweight query transformer, which is pre-trained into 2 steps. So that's why the blip2 is very popular model right now. So that was the brief overview about the model, and now let's dwell into the model architecture. So as we can see, the Q-former is bridging the gap between frozen LLM and frozen image encoder. So we have here we are accepting the fixed number of output features from the image encoder, which is independent of input image resolution. And Q-former is consists of two transformer submodules. First one is image transformer, and the second one is text transformer. So here we create a set of training queries that interacts with each other through self-attention layer and interacts with frozen image feature with cross-validation layer. Then we apply self-attention mask to control query text interaction. And here in image text contrastive learning, it aligns the image and text representation in such a way that their mutual information is maximized. And finally, in the image grounded text generation, it does the image text matchmaking. Basically, it is alignment between image and text representation. It uses the binary classification to predict image and text pair is positive, means it matches with the given question or the given text, or it's not negative. So to run code for the model, we will switch to Google Colab now. Here we can see that I have installed the Salesforce library to run this model, and we have imported some of the libraries here. We are using this image here to predict some of the question that is being asked to the model. And the first one is which city is this? So based on the text, but based on the image given in image given here, it gives the answer that it's a Singapore. And now we are adding another question, which is why. So it says that it has a statue of Merlin. And then we are appending the third question, which is where is the name Merlin coming from? And it gives this answer that Merlin is performance of mermaid and lion. So that was the code. That was the code for the given model. I have found some of the limitation of the model based on the representation, that it could lead to data bias as pre-trained models on large dataset may introduce bias present in the training data, and it might lead to overfitting, as if it is fine-tuned it would lead to overfitting. And then the third one is the domain shift. So if we have given a data to a model which is relevant to one field, then it might not be able to predict the data which is not from the given field. So yeah, and these are the reference of that I've used from Hugging Face. Thank you.